In this video, you will learn how to access Ancestry Library Edition for family history research. This is not available outside of the library. Go to your local branch or visit the Heritage Center downtown for more help. To get started with Ancestry Library Edition, you will need to go to the library website at www.fresnolibrary.org. Once you have reached the home page, hover over the Browse tab and click on Online Resources. You will be directed to our list of online resources arranged from A to Z. Scroll down and click on Ancestry Library Edition. To begin searching, you can click on the green Begin Searching button. Here, you will have the option to search globally by name, event, or date. For a more expanded search, click on the Show More options. In genealogy, searching less is more. Start with the least amount of information, name, birth or death year, and place, and add more details to narrow down your search. As an example, I will use Samuel Clemens, birth year 1835, and Missouri, and I will click Search. On this page, you can see all results for Samuel Clemens, a total of over 35,000. Ancestry tries its best to match what we put in the search box. That's why the less we put in, the more results we will get. To view a record in more detail, click on one of them. I will use this one as an example. Here we can see a transcription of the record, the name, birthplace, and where they lived in 1900, and who was living with them. Sometimes, names can be transcribed wrong, so it helps to look at the original image. On the original record, we can see that this is for Hartford County, Connecticut. You will have to go through this list in order to find the person who is in the record transcribed for you. If I zoom in and scroll to the bottom, I will see here Clemens and Samuel abbreviated, head of household, born in March 1834, 65 years old, married for 25 years, born in Missouri, his mother and father born in Missouri, his occupation listed as author and writer. If you scroll back, you will see everyone living with him: Olive, wife; Clara, daughter; Jean, daughter; and Dorothy Thomas, a servant. To save a record, you have two options. You can save via the Save button, and you can send it to yourself through email, or save it to a flash drive. Your other option is to click the toolbar and select Print. If you wish to continue searching for Samuel Clemens, Ancestry has suggested records on the right side of the page. Or, you can return to the main search results by clicking the back button on the web search bar. You can keep searching through the results here, or if you need to narrow it down by adding more details or even to start a new search, click on the pencil in the top left. You can also look at results by record type by clicking on the group under the left side filter menu. If you have any further questions, please call 600-6230 or email heritagecenter@fresnolibrary.org. Enjoy!